Jotelo mag riwruok ma jopuonj mbalariany UASU twako jofwamb weche ewi lalruok madhi nyime mar chungo ng'anyo mag jopuonj mbalariany mosebedo kadhi nyime kuom thuolo mar ndalo 45 nyaka sani. Wawinjane kaka twagno dhi nyime.
That the payment of 7.9 billion be done at once and immediately. Lecturers, through the organs, have instructed me that they don't disseminate knowledge in phases. Therefore, the arrears of 7.9 billion, no one should contemplate or imagine that it can be paid in phases.
This is simply because once bitten, twice shy, the government has made a habit of engaging in promissories and giving us promissory notes. And then at the end of the day, it does not keep its side of the bargain. And therefore, members are not very comfortable with any further promissories. And they would wish, therefore, to have all these things done once